Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Christmas and New Year's are around the corner. Some people have already started to prepare gifts for their friends and family. In this video, I will show you how to make dried flowers as an amazing gift. I made these dried flowers last year. They have been kept for over a year. As you can see, these dried flowers are preserved very well. They still maintain a good shape and beautiful colors. These dried flowers make great gifts as they are pretty, handmade, and long-lasting. You can also use these dried flowers to decorate your own home. I hope that this video will be useful. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Also click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Later, I will introduce more handicraft ideas. It's really easy to make dried flowers. First, we need some fresh flowers. You can go to the florist and buy some flowers you like. Orchids are not recommended here. I have tried to make orchids into dried flowers, but in the end, every attempt ended in failure. Because the petals of orchids are thick, it is not easy to make dried flowers. You can choose some roses, hydrangeas, chrysanthemums, etc. Here, I will show you the lotus flowers. The videos of the lotus flowers were taken this summer. I planted a lot of lotus flowers myself, so I took the material from them and made it into a dried flower. After the flowers are selected, we need a container, not too big, just big enough to fit the flowers. Then we need silica gel for drying the flowers. It is recommended that you use very fine silica gels. This keeps the flowers in shape. Put the flowers in the container and slowly fill the container with silica gel. Be patient when you are burying flowers. Add the silica gel slowly so that the shape of the flowers can be maintained. We try to maintain this natural shape. When the flower is fully buried, cover it with a lid. Containers without a lid can be sealed with plastic wrap. Just wrap the container with several layers to make sure that it is sealed. Let it sit still for 3 or 4 days. Silica gels can be reused, but each time that you use it, the ability to absorb water decreases. This can extend the time that we spend drying flowers. Once you have reached this point with the gel, you can dry it out again in an oven with a high temperature. Please refer to the instructions of the product which you bought to carry out this process. After 3 or 4 days, the flowers will be dried by silica gel. Then we slowly dump the silica gel and take out the flowers. Such flowers we can put directly in the glass vase. Here, I'm gluing the lotus to this artificial flower stem. This handmade flower stem can be bought from the store. Once it is glued, I will put the lotus flowers in a glass vase. I pour some silica gel into the vase in advance. Then insert the lotus flowers. Finally, I seal it with plastic wrap. Of course, to make it look nicer, we can use some fancy fabric to cover this plastic wrap on the top. It is important to stress here that the finished dried flower will absorb moisture from the air and destroy its original shape. So after we take out the dry flowers, we should always put them in a dry and sealed environment as soon as possible. Silica gel in the glass vase ensures that the air inside is dry, and we seal the vase with plastic wrap to make sure that the moisture in the air outside does not get in. In this way, dried flowers can be kept for several years. If you use some glass vases with lids, you need Vaseline to seal the lid. For more details, please watch the video which I published earlier. I put a link to that video in the up right corner. You can click to watch. So that is for today's video. I hope that is helpful and inspiring for you. In the next video, we will continue to talk about dried flowers. I will show you how to use these dried flowers to make a beautiful arrangement and then frame it in a shadow box to decorate your living space. Finally, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell next to the subscription button. See you next time, and thank you for watching.